Nicholas Brook? What was that? Sounds like it was coming from Hugh. Still don't know what the noise is. There it is again. But where is it coming from? I'm pretty sure it's around me. But where? Nothing there. There it is again. But I don't know where it's coming from this time. Logging lobsters. It was you and you and you and you and you and you and all of you. Do you want to play with me? Yay! You'll never catch me. Nicholas Brook? What hungry? 8 in the morning? Tom, get up. Ooh, yeah? The pizza that I ordered yesterday is coming today. Yay! I can't believe it, that it's going to be coming. Alright, the pizza's here. I'll get it. What was that? Pizza's here, Tom. I hope I got enough. Wow, that's amazing, but I heard a sound. There it is again. Huh, that's kind of weird. I wonder what's making that sound. Anyways, let's just eat a pizza. I'll bring up the pizza now. Wow, we ate so much. Only 3 more slices to go. There it is again. Huh. I have no idea what that even is. We have to find out where that sound is coming from. So the louder the sound is, the closer we get to it. You're right. I was just finishing eating my pizza. All done. We gotta find out what's making that sound. Come on, sounds like it's coming from in here. After you. No, after you. Let's both look together. What? 1, 2, 3. It was my cell phone. Wait, timer up. Oh, there. Now it's stuck. Yeah, I set the timer of when I had to do exercising and I forgot it was almost time. Mystery solved. So that's all it was. Silly me. Now let's go back and finish the pizza. Everybody, did anybody notice that there was an animal in the video? But which one was? The walrus, the sailfish, or the beluga? Bye, everybody.